Nobody tells you what actually happens after you die. Not in school, not in hospitals, not anywhere. We talk about death as a mystery. We wonder what comes after, but we almost never talk about what happens to the human body in the very first moments. The instant your heart stops, a countdown begins. Blood stops flowing. Oxygen no longer reaches your organs. But death is not a single moment. It is a process. Within about 10 seconds, you lose consciousness. Your brain, the organ that uses the most oxygen, is the first to shut down. Thoughts fade. Awareness disappears. Yet something remarkable may happen. Studies have found that in some people, the brain briefly produces an intense burst of electrical activity immediately after the heart stops. Scientists are still investigating why. Some believe this could be connected to the vivid experiences reported by people who survive cardiac arrest, such as seeing a bright light or reliving memories. The truth is, we simply do not know. After around 4 minutes without oxygen, brain cells begin to die. Higher brain functions, reasoning, memory, and personality are affected first. This is why every minute without CPR dramatically lowers the chance of survival. But the rest of the body does not die all at once. About 30 minutes later, gravity pulls blood toward the lowest parts of the body, creating dark red areas while other parts become pale. This process is called Livor mortis. At the same time, the body slowly cools, losing about 1 degree Celsius each hour. This is known as algor mortis and helps forensic experts estimate the time of death. Within 2 to 6 hours, rigor mortis begins. Muscles become stiff because they no longer have the energy needed to relax. The stiffness starts in the face and jaw before spreading through the entire body. Around 12 hours later, it reaches its peak before gradually fading as the tissues begin to break down. Then something incredible happens. The trillions of bacteria living inside your guts survive longer than you do. Without the immune system controlling them, they begin breaking down the body from within. Nature quietly starts recycling everything you once borrowed. Every atom in your body is billions of years old. The carbon in your cells was forged inside ancient stars long before Earth existed. Throughout your life, you borrowed those atoms. Death is simply the moment you return them. One day, those same atoms may become part of trees, oceans, animals, or even another human being. Matter never truly disappears. It only changes form. And what about consciousness? Science has reached an honest limit. We know consciousness depends on brain activity. We know measurable brain activity eventually stops after death. Some people who are revived report extraordinary experiences, but no one can say with certainty what those experiences truly mean. The most honest answer is this: we do not know.